Good morning guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing really well. I'm super excited. Today's a very special day. It's my mum's birthday. What we do every year is we shoot up to the Waipara Gorge, just full drive up there, and go and have a picnic up there. So I figured, hey, why not take you guys along with me? The day isn't focused on full driving, however, when for me, there's generally some pretty good full driving squeezed in there. So I'll be taking the comp truck you see there. Dad will be in this truck here, Dad's diesel disco, and my uncle will be taking his Nissan Terrano. So 3 trucks, 12 people, should be an awesome day out. Go celebrate Mum's birthday, and also my cousins will get to be on the channel, so they'll be so stoked about that. Anyway guys, I better shoot out before everyone else because I gotta go fuel up and they're about ready to leave, so I better be making tracks. Hey! Right, so that is much better now that those windows are clean. Now I just gotta wait for the rest of the family to drive past in the other truck, and then once they shoot past I will leg it and try catch them up. That's them there, yay! We're in Amberley, just waiting on the rest of them arriving, and then we're going to go hit the tracks.
I've heard someone who said it's really bad.
Good idea.
Yep. Alrighty guys, so we've made it down to the river. We're going to have morning tea here before we get underway, and I'm also going to take the opportunity to air down the tyres. So I'm thinking I'll go down to about 10 just because I'm running those bead locks, so might as well.
Hello guys, welcome to Tim's vlog, or me just waiting down the river while Tim is waiting there so he can get a sweet shot.
That was the first section of track, which is normally can be a little bit deep, but super shallow because there's just so little water in the river. So yeah, from here we'll just continue up to the gorge. There's still a couple more spots, a couple play spots.
Oh. Normally we would drive through that section just there,
but I'm pretty sure there's a deeper section through here which can be driven. So I'm just gonna go and have a nosy. I might sit. Yeah, no, we'll save that for the way. Save it for the way back. Right, so make sure that you see me go through the deep bit on the way back, because it looks pretty fun. Apart from this scum. Yay! Is it cold?
Too bad.
So we've finished lunch and I think now might go have a bit of a swim and do cliff jumping. Keen? Yeah. So it looks pretty cold anyway, let's transfer to the GoPro. Alrighty guys, well that was lots of fun. Some of them were a bit braver than me, but no, it was real awesome.
Pull up William's towel.
Zing! William's not got pants on. But yeah, really good fun.
No, I know, it is cold.
But really cold as well, so.
I'm freezing.
This guy bombed from the highest point. Hopefully there's some good clips in there for you. Happy birthday, Mum.
Thank you, darling.
And we are off. SD!
It looks so cool watching it because I can see the tyres in the water. Oh, it's so deep.
There we go guys, just like that we've wrapped up another video, and just like usual I forgot to outro it, so I'm doing it now. Anyway, I have to first apologise for the late upload on this. Just had so much on last week, busy out filming, 2 days of full driving up in the mountains, so stay tuned for that next week. That's going to be part 1 will be out, and hopefully I'll be able to squeeze part 2 out before the next week, so sometime during the middle. And then yeah, the following week we've got an awesome Waimak trip coming up. You may have guessed I've already done these trips. Yeah, I'm just a bit behind on editing to be honest, but anyway, hit subscribe to stay tuned for more, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Huge thanks to Mum for letting us do that on her birthday. It's a great way to celebrate, but I'm sure it's not her first choice of things to do. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys. See ya.